Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to add tasks into your ClickUp application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In our last video we told you how to create tags for your ClickUp, but in this video I am going to show you how to add those tags into your ClickUp. So in order to do that, first of all you have to open any of your browser into your computer, and after opening the browser, just simply open the site for app.clickup.com. Then after coming into this page, you just simply have to go into your tasks and open a task where you want to add a tag. And after opening the task where you want to add the tag, just simply tap for this tag option, and then you can easily search for a tag and add it into your task. And after entering the task successfully, just simply click to enter button. Then your tag will be successfully added. By following these very easy steps, you can easily add a tag into your ClickUp application. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.